Service entrance cable distance is measured from the point where the cable enters the house. Cables running from the meter base to the panel must indeed be service entrance cable, and not types like THHN. Installing a combo meter with a 200 amp disconnect effectively creates a service disconnect point, meaning the panel inside the house becomes a subpanel. In this scenario, you would drive ground rods at the combo meter location and run the equipment grounding conductor to the subpanel. Ground rods are not required at the subpanel if it is located in a basement with a concrete floor. Remix entering a surface-mounted panel on a concrete wall with an open ceiling can be left exposed. Regarding service changes and code upgrades, the extent of required upgrades during a service change can vary. It is possible the inspector may require bringing the entire house up to current code before restoring power. This could involve installing arc fault circuit interrupters on bedroom circuits, ground fault circuit interrupters protection for existing hot tubs, and ground fault circuit interrupters protection for kitchen and bathroom receptacles where not already present, and addressing other code violations. However, this is not universally mandated, and it's crucial to consult with a local electrical inspector to ascertain their specific requirements. When pricing a service change, determine what work will be included in the base price and what will be considered extras. Ensure transparent communication with the client regarding these costs to avoid misunderstandings.